Mean, lean, green grilling machine. Oh yeah, got some chicken in there. Not quite halfway done. Did some other chicken and some pork. So just a tip for you fellers and ladies out here on the road, or maybe even at home if you got one of these little George guys. These were full-size chicken breasts. There was 3 of them, and I took and sliced them up into thinner chunks. Of course, I have found that that makes it cook a lot evener, especially on the thinner parts of the bird, and takes less time as well. So it's the same thing on any of your thicker meats. These being maybe 3/4 of an inch, not too shabby. Inch, yeah, it takes a little while. You can do it. It works, but yeah, just a grilling tip. Cut that stuff down, make them bite size, and save yourself a bunch of time. Hope that helps somebody. Take care. See you. Bye.